Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jesus McDonald here. The purpose of this screencast video is to show you how to transcribe your audio and video files. Okay, let's jump right in. We're starting on my YouTube studio page. This is a recent podcast interview that I had with Jen Kern, who is a four-time CMO and currently the CMO of QPOS. That's QUPOS, computer software company. And I'm going to use her podcast interview as for example purposes. Okay. Now, this is something that a lot of people don't really know is a lot of people think that they need to have their transcription or captions or subtitles. A lot of people use that interchangeably. But what they have to get that ready to upload to YouTube with their video. But what a lot of people don't know is if you actually go to YouTube and you upload your video, you can save it as private mode, do the editing for the title and the description and all that stuff. You can input that information later. But save it as a private, let it upload, leave the tab open, right? And if you give YouTube a few hours, they auto-populate your subtitles for you, which, hello, that's your transcription right there. So if we go here, and here's how you can go to see if they auto-populated it. On this one, it's not going to show it because we've already updated it. But if you go inside the editor to any video, you go to subtitles here on the left-hand side. And this here, it shows English, United States. There's going to be another one down here that will say English, and it'll say like automated or automatic. And that's what YouTube provides pretty much. And all you have to do is it's going to show the subtitles only. It won't show the titles and description. But all you pretty much have to do is you click on the edit button because it's going to have the edit button as well. And it's going to say with timing or without timing. Click on with timing. And then literally, this is the editor where you make sure the subtitles are in line with the audio and everything. Play around with it for a little bit. Once you get the hang of it, it's easy breezy from there. Then you hit publish. And that's pretty much it. This is free. You don't have to pay for anything. YouTube doesn't even charge it. Hopefully YouTube doesn't take away the automatic video subtitles. This is great for even your audio file too. You have a podcast and you want to transcribe your podcast, upload it to YouTube, just save it under private so it's not public to your audience, and then wait a few hours. Sometimes YouTube takes 30 minutes to provide you their automatic or automated video subtitles, and then you can edit it there. And then you can download it if you don't want to use YouTube. You can download it. Like, for example, here, I'll just hit download. And usually I go with the .srt, which is the most popular format that most platforms ask for. And then I upload it across different platforms, social media platforms, you name it. Now, if you're looking to pay for a little bit better service than this free service, there is a company called Rev, R-E-V, and they convert audio and video to text. And literally you can get your transcription for $1.25 per minute. So you convert your audio and video file to text. That's how you get your transcriptions. And it has other things here too, right? But if you hit learn more, it breaks it down, everything that they have to offer, which is awesome. But I also think the pricing is very reasonable. $125. So I've done some experimenting with YouTube automatic, and then also with, show that here soon, with YouTube Automatic and also with Rev. Rev, the quality, they have software that is just legit. Rev. So I would pick Rev if you guys want to spend a little bit of money. If you want free, just go to YouTube, upload, hit that private feature, and then just edit there. If you just have to make time for the editing part. For Rev, it's literally little to no edits. Not even joking. Now the services that they have to offer. I've experimented with the rough draft. Okay, that's the lowest one. 25 cents per minute. And this is more accurate. Make sure you have great audio quality, because the better the quality of your audio, the better you're going to get the software and YouTube software too to spit out the right wording. Okay. But this rough draft from Rev is way better than the YouTube subtitles. Way better. I spend a lot more time on the YouTube platform than I do with Rev. Like little to no time on editing. I'm telling you. Just make sure your audio quality is legit and enhanced if needed. Now, if you go with the 125 by Humans, I believe the turnaround time is 24 hours for this. And of course, if you have like a short 10-minute video or audio, they probably send it to you maybe within the few hours. They won't take up the whole 24 hours. Now, if you have a big, 30-minute to like 2-hour audio or video file, it might take, that whole 24 hours. But that's a reasonable turnaround time. Just plan in advance. The rough draft is done by their software, and it spits it out to you within minutes. So if you need something urgent, go with this. You're doing little to no editing. Hope that helps. Hope that brings you value. Share this with your marketing department. Share this with entrepreneurs that are also trying to start a podcast or look for ways to transcribe their podcast episodes or YouTube videos. This is the way to do it. You guys make it a great day.